What's up guys? Today I have a new Apple product came out today, the Airtags. The Airtags are probably most similar to the Tile. It's a tracker that you put onto your items to find them. I'm gonna use mine for my keys. I got the Belkin keyring. It was like 12 bucks, not a bad deal. And I am a person that loses my keys all the time, so this will be really helpful. If I'm close enough, I can actually ping it and locate it with my iPhone. But it uses the iPhone's Find My network, which accesses like over the 100 million plus iOS or Mac devices that are out there. And if say I left my keys at a store and then went home, it would actually use other devices to find its location, and you can find it within the Find My app. So let's unbox this. It's pretty small. Let's see what's inside here. I'm not expecting much out of this. It's kind of hard to open. Oh, see, if I would just pay attention, there's a little green thing right there. So we'll open that up. I'll put a link down below to where you can buy these, as well as some accessories as well. Okay, so I took that off and nothing happened. What the heck? I'm failing at this. Okay, the bottom comes out, and there's a little pull tab. Here it is. So we've got some paperwork that no one reads. And in here it says Airtag. Updates to the latest version of iOS, 14.5 I believe, which came out last week. And there it is, right there. Let's pop this out. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like here. So once you pull this tab out, it activates the battery. So let's do that right now. And you can kind of hear it making some noise. So it's very small. One of these I got an engraving on, so this one I believe is going to be the one I give to my mom. It does not have an engraving on the back, so I will show you guys what the engraved one looks like here in just a minute. Alright, there's mine. I got the peace symbol emoji engraved on the back, which is kind of cool. Probably a good idea to do that if you're buying like the 4-pack. You're going to get multiple of these so you can keep track, because there's literally nothing on it. It's just a little disc. Alright, now I'm going to show you how I set it up. So let's unlock my iPhone. And you should just bring it near your phone. And there it is right there. Hit connect. It's going to ask if you want to register it to your iCloud setup. And for some reason I named it Alex's backpack, but I can change that. And that's it. So you can go into the Find My app to locate it. And it's under items. So if I want to play a sound, just hit play sound. And then you can find it with that sound, which is pretty cool. That's the setup and unboxing of the Airtags that came out today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos, and I hope you enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.